friends, welcome back to my humble homestead. So today I am continuing to make my beauty products. It has been so busy and I'm trying to get all these done before this week Christmas. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some easy pour and set soap. I just got this goat milk base. I got this on Amazon. Not too expensive. And I've made soap with lye, but I know a lot of you don't like to work with lye. So this is just a pour and set soap. Super easy. And it's from goat's milk. So it makes your skin so soft. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking it and I'm taking about between 1 and 2 pounds here. And I'm just kind of chopping it up into like smaller pieces, and I'm throwing it in a microwave safe bowl, and I'm literally going to microwave it to melt it. Now after I do that, I'm gonna make a honey one, which is so amazing for your skin. I was gonna make, there's another one that I was gonna make with some orange peel. I can't find my orange peel right now. It's on my pantry somewhere, and honestly I'm too tired to really look for it. I was at my grandson's birthday party all day today, and I just thought, you know what, I just want to get this done. So I'm going to make this honey. Sometimes I use a honey and oat, but I literally didn't even want to grind up my oats today. So I'm going to put a little bit of this coconut oil in it. I was deciding if I want to melt some coconut oil in it. Otherwise, I'm going to put a little castor oil, a little bit of vitamin E, a little bit of honey. Mix it together. Once the goat's milk soap base is melted, and literally pour it into my soap base. Now I did bring some orange essential oils because you know I do love the citrus smell, and a lot of my after body lotions and oils and stuff are citrusy, so we'll see if I want to add the citrus or just keep it at we'll see how it smells with the honey in it. So right now I am literally just going to chop these up smaller, and I'm going to microwave these at about 20-second intervals on the microwave, and then just stir them until it's all melted. And then I'm going to come back and show you how that looks and how we'll just add a little bit of honey. Now I just have some local honey here. You can use whatever honey you want. And then I'm just going to put about a tablespoon of vitamin E, maybe a little bit of castor oil. You can use whatever. So I brought some avocado oil. You can use castor oil. You can use coconut oil. Whatever you want. You just want it to integrate it really good into your soap base. Okay, so whatever oil you like on your skin, and this makes your skin so soft. You almost don't even need lotion afterwards. So it is so fast and easy. It's great to use for your skin. You know, my cats are playing in boxes again, you guys. You hear all that little ruckus. But just to let you know, regular soap is also not very good for your skin. But this is what I have here. I'm just going to literally bring it over to the microwave, melt it up, and then we'll come back and I'll show you where we go from there. Okay, welcome back, friends. I'm going to bring it down here. Here is our melted goat's milk soap. I'm still stirring it. There's a couple little pieces in here that I want to dissolve, but it's pretty warm, so I'm just going to stir it up till it dissolves. And while that's stirring, let me just munch it up here. And while I do that, I'm going to put some honey in here because we want to make sure the honey gets well incorporated. I'm just kind of eyeing it. I do like 1/4 cup. There we go. And I'm going to mix that in there really good. We want to make sure everything's mixed while it's... Okay, and then I'm going to put a little bit of castor oil in here. Just a little bit. Just to add a little bit more oil. Mix that up really good. Try to work fast because it's starting to already thicken a little bit here. with the honey. And then I want to put just a tiny bit of vitamin E oil because that is so good for the skin. So there we go. All the good oils in there. And I'm not a really big fan, honestly, of the goat's milk smell, so I am going to put a little bit of orange in there because I do love that citrus. So there we go. And it is thickening already. I've got honey. You got to really stir it good. Okay, and then I'm going to pour it into my soap mold. So let's see if we can pour this here. Carefully. That's better. Pour it into our molds. Oops, that one had a little bit of hardening clump in that. Get 6. Ooh. There we go. All right, and then there are a little air bubbles on top. So what I'm going to do to get the air bubbles off is I'm just going to spray it with some rubbing alcohol to kind of break the air bubbles up the top, and the alcohol will disintegrate. There we go. Okay, there we have it right here. And they usually harden in 1 to 2 hours, but I'm going to let them sit overnight, and then I will puncture them out and we will show you what we have. All right, this is the first time I made these guys without the lye, so we are going to see how they turn out. Definitely not, you know, going to sell them or anything, but, you know, for myself and let my kids try them. As long as they're good for the skin, we're fine. But I'm going to go and melt this and pour this, and we'll have 12 bars of soap. Cool beans. All right, everyone, I'll show you when they're ready to pop out. We'll show you what they look like. Okay, so let's pop these soaps out here. See how simple they are. Look at this. These are amazingly beautiful. They just pop right out, and they're going to be so great for our skin. Oh, they're just beautiful. And how easy were they to make? So I'm just going to wrap these up and add them to our gift baskets. And then the rest I'm going to save for myself. So that is it. Look at that. Our goat's milk pour and melt soap. Super easy, you guys. Try it out. Another way to go toxin free. All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Be blessed, have a great day, and remember you're loved.